when all said and done. I can't bear to look, but it feels worse to run. Split into two now, returning to one. No, this monster before me cannot be my son. Could I be in denial? Am I stuck in the past? That innocent smile, was it not meant to last? My sweet precious child, you brought so much strife. This land you'll defile, I'll wait